This is a very green way to the Betla National Park. And take a look at that tuk-tuk. It's very beautiful. Flower power in
the front place there.
Jharkhand. Welcome. It says welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to Betla National Park.
Yes.
Yes. We are visiting a village here. Information. It looks very Muslim, this place. A 7-Eleven over there. And the little village. Hotel Greenview Residency.
Kan vi også gå ud og spise?
Ja, jeg har lige bestemt.
Jeg havde overhovedet ikke forestillet mig, at det var en restaurant i nærheden.
Nej. They forgot to finish this house. Strange. This is a garbage bin, and this is the surrounding area. They have not learned to use it yet. They are dangerous, those monkeys. They steal from you, jump on you from the bed, and takes your things away. Wall paintings. There used to be a school inside, behind, but it's not the case here, I think. This is a village. The village Mama. Se det flotte natur her. Det er næsten lige så pænt som dit.
Ja, ja. Måske det er på grund af dyrene, de er nødt til at lave sådan en hegn omkring deres huse, fordi det kan jeg lade mærke til, det havde de mange steder her på vejen herhen.
Ja.
Det tror jeg, det er for dyrene.
A water tank.
Det beskytter mig ikke.
Hello. Yes. Det var ejeren af det kæmpe store hus der, og hans fætter, vi lige fik et billede af. Flinke folk. Og de synes selvfølgelig, vi er nogle underlige nogen. Der render rundt der med indisk tøj på. This is the other part of the town.
Skal vi prøve at gå den vej?
We're going uptown.
Skal vi prøve at gå den der vej, så man kan komme ud?
Ja. Now can we see gag and a lot of dogs and small children and motorbikes. De er nok på vej hjem, og de spiller med åbne kort her. Åbne kloakker. Intet bliver skjult. Eller ikke affald. Og her er den lokale kiosk. Look how beautiful. I think it's so scaring. The birds. So they're not destroying the vegetables, but that is not correct. This is rather chaotic. Dishwashing. Så blev jeg sgu trådt ned af en hund. Sikke noget. Jeg var bange for en knallert.
mistede vi.
This is a wedding. Waiting.
Together now, so I often feel tempted to buy something, but
This is open kitchen.
I'm not something,
Handicraft also.
yeah, but I think this also